The history of Tosa's pilgrimage. Hello, my name is Joan. I'm 12 years old and I was born in Santa Coloma de Farners. I like to play football, ride my bike, and meet my friends. I have a cat called Bicho and he loves eating. I also have a brother, a father, and a mother. In my free time, I play football, I play with my friends, and I play video games. I want to talk to you about a historical event that happened in Santa Coloma de Farners. I will explain the history of Tosa's pilgrimage. During the 15th century, Tosa was suffering from a terrible epidemic. A lot of people were ill and some were dying. One day, a woman was leaving the village because she was scared of the illness. Then, she met a person who told her how to solve the epidemic. He said, "You must kill a lamb and hang it at the top of the tower of your village. Then you will have to go on pilgrimage to the first San Sebastian's Hermitage that you will find in the direction when the lamb turned black." The lamb turned black from the west side, so the people went on pilgrimage to the west until Santa Coloma de Farners, where they found the first San Sebastian sanctuary. They prayed and they come back to Tosa. In a few of days, the epidemic was over, and they decided to repeat pilgrimage every year as a sign of gratitude. At the beginning, all the Tosa's people were going on pilgrimage, but after some years, they decided to choose one man to represent all the village, and this began the tradition of Tosa's pilgrimage. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed my history of Tosa's pilgrimage. I learned a lot doing this activity. Bye bye.